Yes, my people, blessed morning to each and every one of you. Give God thanks and praise. We have life, health, and strength. Alright? So, you don't know, I'm going to deal with some ackee and chicken. I'm not using saltfish or so forth. This time I'll be using chicken. Right? So, I have some ackee here when we did have boiled already and in the freezer. Take it out overnight so it can defrost ahead of time. So this is how I do my ackee. When we take it out of the freezer, we punch it up and then we put it into a dish drainer. So when I punch it up now and put it in a dish drainer, the water drain out of the bag and go down in this container, because if you don't pour it up, when it defrost, the water gonna stay in the ackee same way and make it mash up and saggy, and you don't want that. But when you do it like this now, all of the water escape out and your ackee good to go. So you know, never match up my chicken and thing. Yeah, because I have some chicken is seasoned up already, so I go ahead and fry it up and thing. Yeah man, so I go serve this ackee and chicken with roast breadfruit. You don't know, you know. Don't know, I wanna just subscribe. The pot hotter now, so I'll go ahead and pour in some oil. Yeah man. Man, this amount of oil is good enough, so you can go and stay there hot. Then we put in my chicken. You know, oil hot and everything, so I'll go ahead and pour in my chicken. I don't have it seasoned up already, so I'll go ahead and add it in. Yeah, looking? Yeah man. I'm getting there, alright? Don't know it's looking good. Alright, this color I want. This is crispy enough for me. So now I'll go ahead and take it out. So you don't know me, I have my onion, scallion, garlic, pepper, and thyme. So you don't know, that's the thyme and thing. Why it have that dark color look? You know, when you go buy your seasoning and you come home with it and you wash them and put it in the dry and you have excess amount, you just put it in a plastic bag and put it in your freezer. Likewise with the scallion. So I do the thyme. Even pepper. You don't know, pepper is a thing with scarce more time. So I don't use too many pepper because this pepper hot, and I go add black pepper to it and cayenne pepper, alright? Just go ahead and throw in my seasoning and thing. Yeah, I don't want a whole heap of seasoning in my ackee. Yeah. And I'm not using any tomato neither, so I'm not really fancy tomato in my ackee. Alright, so I'll go ahead and now and take out the thyme stick, because it's just the flavor of it we need. So you can even use the leaf at the time, alright? Yeah. So that's how I like my seasonings stay, you know. Have a little color have it, yes. Because I ackee and thing I do with it. That's how I like my season cook up. So don't watch the color, that's how I like it, alright? So go ahead and now and put in my ackee. Yeah. Then now go ahead and add in some black pepper. Right. And the cayenne pepper. Yes, so the cayenne pepper and the black pepper and the scotch bonnet. Yeah man, good to go. And then just give him a little stir. Yeah. Combine the seasoning together, you know. So you're not going to use no spoon for the ackee, because again the ackee is boiled in the freezer. Yes, now want your Ackee to mash up. Right? Yeah. This is how I'm doing it. See your chicken here, look? Yeah, man. Yes, I. You don't want it too crispy. Alright. Go ahead and combine it together. Alright. Yeah, man. When we do it like this, you know, don't know the Ackee now I will catch the flavor of the chicken with the seasoning when we combine everything like this way. Right? So I go cover him up and make him and turn on his stove and make him stay there go and hot the right and proper way because the Ackee is in the freezer. It is cooked already, so you don't know anything go. So I will go ahead and cover it up and make him go and stay there, take him one time and hot properly. Right? So normally you look about your Ackee and thing. You can put in your sweet pepper in it. Yeah, your tomatoes, alright? But my one is just the pepper, scallion, thyme, garlic. I don't use a tomato because I'm not too fancy tomato in a Ackee. Many things we don't fancy tomato into. It's like how I prepare it for myself. Yeah. But if guests or people want it when I prepare it that way, no problem. Put anything with them ask. I don't know anything. Alright, so go on a little look again. Yeah, so while him did one with himself, you know, I go and make him go and steam down properly and hot properly. Yeah, man. So let's stay tuned and watch what go on, man. And remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment. That's all you have to do. It not cost enough to share. It not cost enough to subscribe. Alright? Yeah, man. Alright, my people. We'll line up my fire now. We see with the breadfruit them. You don't know a thing, go. Come on. Breadfruit and Ackee. Fry up chicken. What you say, man? Fully active and a full rev. Man, don't know no, stay tuned and watch what I go on. Subscribe, share, like and comment. Yeah, man. Ackee and my chicken done fry up already and look bout and they wait for the breadfruit. You see it? Yes, I. Fully active, man. I'm ready and now. Alright. Peel up my breadfruit and thing and now. Yeah, man. breadfruit and the ackee and the fry up chicken. Yeah man. And alongside it, we have some King of the Forest tea boiled with ginger. King of the Forest, otherwise known as Cassia alata. Yes man, see it ya? Yes man, bless up on yourself and remember to subscribe, share, like and comment. Alright? Yeah man. Peace. I'm out.